mother.
Really?
We talked about everything. Your childhood, who you are.
Okay, and what did she tell you?
Why don't you tell me?
Tell you what? I don't hide anything from you. I would never keep a secret.
So you're not mad I talked to your mom behind your back?
Why would I be mad? I have nothing to hide from you. You're my whole world. I tell you everything.
Limo! She said, tell her to say the truth.
What did she tell you?
She didn't tell me anything. She just said you have a surprise for me.
Stop lying to me.
No, you're not flipping this on me.
If my mom told you something, you would already know it.
I know what you're hiding. I want you to admit it first.
I'm not admitting anything. You already talked to my mom because you clearly don't trust me and now you're trying to flip it on me. What did she tell you?
Well, she hinted at some big changes that will affect our relationship. Maybe some new changes which will deepen our connection.
Victor,
If you want to get married, babe, I think we should wait till we're financially stable. I think that's the right choice to wait.
Promise you won't freak out?
I won't.
I am actually a man.